If you're a content creator in 2025, there is one gear you must have in your arsenal, and that is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. Trust me when I tell you that this little camera right here packs a punch. First and foremost, it has the power of the AI tracking technology on the inside. Two, it also has the power of the DJI drone technology on the inside. You practically have the power of a drone in the palm of your hands. It shoots in vertical and horizontal. Operating this camera is actually very easy. All you have to do is flip the screen. It comes on automatically. Recording is also equally simple. All you have to do is click on this record button underneath and it starts recording and tracking you almost immediately. Now, when you want to record yourself likewise, just like a mobile phone where you can shoot with the front or shoot with the back, with the DJI Pocket 3, it's equally simple. All you have to do is click on the jog dial 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and it turns and starts recording you immediately. Shutting down is equally simple. All you have to do is click on the record button once, and if you want to pack up the Pocket 3, all you have to do is do the same thing we did at the beginning, flip the screen, and it packs up immediately. One of the things I love about this camera is the fact that it shoots in 4K and it can do well in low light. I mean, the shots from this camera are practically amazing. Now, what I have here is the combo edition. In the combo edition, it comes with a protective casing, it comes with an extra power bank, it comes with a DJI microphone, it comes with a stand, it comes with a windshield, a USB-C to USB-C connector, it comes with a lens extender, the Pocket 3 camera, and a pouch. Now, it doesn't have inbuilt memory. So basically what you have to do is get yourself a micro SD card, insert it into the side, and you're good to go. Now, if you're one of those people who like to take your cinematography to the next level, you have the capacity to record in D-Log-M, which is a flat profile for recording on the Pocket 3 camera. Instead of spending thousands of dollars trying to get yourself a DSLR or mirrorless camera, get yourself the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera.